Hello everyone, my name is Riya Sanma. This is my project Automated System Administrator Toolkit. In this project, we are developing the lots of things using Linux and using virtual machine. Here is my project overview. Overview of this project: System Toolkit is a collection of bash shells. The automated important system administrator task on a Linux system. Task is an Ubuntu using the VirtualBox VM. It helps to administrate user accounts, directory backup, log rotations, task schedules using the con. Features of this project: user management, create user, delete user, lock user, unlock user, list user, automated backup of the home directory with the log rotations, archive old log within time span, schedules automated using the con. My project overview, my project scope is this is my project scope. Designs and implement to the administrator toolkit. It is a simple automated essential system, maintain the task and toolkit to design the work priority Linux systems. Ubuntu can be updated for window environment using the appropriate script and schedules. What is Automated System Administrator Toolkit? The Automated System Administrator Toolkit is a collection of script that automatically performs routine system administrator tasks such as user administrator, data backup, log rotations, and task schedules. It helps the system administrator save time, reduce human error, and improve the system readability security. The scope of the project including the user account administrator, schedule backup, log rotations and archive, task schedules automation, centralized login, security improvement, realize consistency, easy to use technical users, scalability. That was the functionality included in this project. Users can be automatically create, edit, delete, and log the users. Schedule backup is an time-based backup important directories. Log rotations automatically rotate the archive systems and applications log, improve storage overflow, and maintain the organization's record. Task scheduling is an con task and task schedulers using Windows system and automate the humans. Centralizations login maintains the details, log files and backup operations, user management actions and system archive for audience and troubleshootings. Security improvement reduce the security task caused by the unwanted log and manage user account to the out data as a backup. Realizations and consistency ensure that the administrator task performs in the consistent error free space and reachable manner. Use of the uses designs too simple and usable for the both technical and non-technical user throughout the well-structured script and clear documentations. Scalability toolkit can be extended with the additional administrator modules in the future. That was my project including. This is my project structure. Automated administrator toolkit, backup, doc, log, archive. In that script folders, backup home cell, user manager cells, and rotated log cells is there. Pre-required things, those are required to do this project: Ubuntu Linux, bash shells, sudo access, con schedules, and utilize tar and zip files. For the project setup, you can go to the terminal and make a directory, change directory, and create the folders and backup structures and all. This is my backup process. Those are successfully executed. User managements, we can create the users also, and we can also remove the user, that means delete the user. This is my backup, and here is my log successfully completed. This is an con schedule. In the con schedules, we can take the backup timing as an automated set the timing as based on the weekly and daily basis. For the packaging and sharing, we can share the data using ZIF. Conclusion of this project is automated assistant system administrator task, reduce the manual work, improve the system readability and security. Let's start to run my code in the VMware. This is my task, make directories and all. Here is my backup is successfully executed, backup is completed successfully. Here is my log file is backup successfully archived. Let me explain my project structures to you. This is my project folder. In this project folder, this is my backup folder. Backup files is successfully stored in this, and that was in log symbol. This is my log. In this log file, backup log is generated here, and archive log is generated here. And this is my script. In this script, backup home sh, log rotate sh, and manager sh. Let me show you the code. This is my code of this project failure. If the backup is not successfully created, then it will be show the archive is not created and all. It check the folder directories is generated or not, and then he can be give the answer in that folder. That was my log folder. In that log folder is always to be share the details based on the time span. This is my user manager ch. In that user manager, it will check the user who is it login and the user created, and if user is not created, then it will be show the error, failed error to generate. And if you want to delete the users, you can delete from here. That wasn't delete the user and to fill the user. You can also modify the username between the old name to new name, and if it is not successfully doing, then it will show the error message. These are the cases. If you can select your details what you want to do. That's functionalities I'll do. See, this is my user creations. Here is my user is successfully showing in the list. You can see the list of the user, and also you can modify the user and delete the user to pick the user name from the terminal, and also you can remove and what you think to do you can perform. And this is my code logic that can be handle all the process and all. In this backup file is an tar and tz file, and also the log files is generated in that was in log files generated in active tar. So that was an functionality is just working. That all things is required. Thank you.